Hey guys, Igor here doing one more AppSumo review. Today analyzing Deskera, an award-winning unified platform for your invoicing, accounting, payroll, human resource, and CRM. The tool has several prizes and they are established with more than 100 of employees. And they have a whole package here for only $149. And you can see here on the AppSumo page that you can replace Zoho, QuickBooks, Shadow, and Zendesk for Deskera. So you're gonna save a lot of money with that tool, and you're buying established tool. You're not buying a tool that it may be a good tool in the future or not. You're going to buy something established. They are doing the AppSumo deal to expand their user base. So I totally recommend that deal. And as you can see here on the right, they have more than 400 reviews. So it's like a kind of no-brainer. You have 6 days to buy the tool, so you need to take action fast. And I'm going to show you how the deal works. So with one code you get everything on the tool. But if you buy more code, you're going to get better limit. So a power user is the administrator. So the one that have access of everything. So if you buy one code, you have one power user. If you buy more, you're gonna get more power users, and then you're gonna get also more emails per month and more email lists with each deal. But you have unlimited contact. So the limit here is mostly about the number of emails per month, and also um, the payroll team members. But like a small business, we'll not have more than 100 payroll team members. So one code, it's a lot. I think the limits are great, and you should not miss that deal. And you can use the Black Friday code BF 2020 to buy that deal for less. So let's see how the tool works. I'm here on the dashboard, and you can see they have different apps, and they have mobile app as well. So you can access this care and do everything on mobile and check all your accounting, etc. And you have the books apps, CRM apps, and people apps. I'm going to show you pretty fast how that deal works. Let's go to the accounting system. It's where they are stronger. And you're going to see everything here. I'm going to just create a demo organization. I already have here a demo company to show you how the dashboard works. So as you can see, you have all your accounting automatized with profit and loss, net cash flow, bills, everything that you need to do your financial compliance with the government, and it's going to save you a lot of money. And you will not need to buy an accounting to your to make your reports at the end of the year. The tool are going to do your accounting automatically, and you can see here the codes. Okay, so your sales, the codes are pretty beautiful. Of course, you can design it and add your logo, but here it's a demo company. So everything with compliance with your country. They are doing the United States compliance right now. And here, as you can see, your what you bought. So your everything will be here organized, and it's really easy to add a new order or a new bill. You click here, add contact, add the line of the item, the price, etc., and it's done. And you have an ERP here, so you can add all your items on the tool to administrate your storage, like a whole ERP with warehouse. So a whole accounting system, a whole booking system with reports. Can you see here? That included the taxes, included your profits and losses. So you're gonna get all your reports in compliance with the government, saving you a lot of money. And of course, you're going to add your bank account, everything will be tracked. Um, Now, let's go to another app. I'm going to show you the People app. That's where you're going to organize your team members and stipulating their payrolls. I'm going to show you that one pretty fast because I want to take more time to show you the CRM where they have beautiful templates that you're going to see. So here you can see your payroll and you're going to add setup, your company, etc. And you can add your pay schedule, so stipulating which day you will pay each team member or all the team member. So the first pay date, you can add more pay dates. So if you're going to pay monthly, if you're going to pay weekly, twice per month. So select work week, everything you're going to organize here. And this is so important for employment law. If you don't do this, you're going to be sued by your employees because they can say you didn't pay them and you don't have a record. And if you don't have any record of your wage, what you have paid, it literally does not exist. So you're going to be sued and um, you're going to lose. So this is really important for your business. I'm gonna go to change the company. I'm gonna go to the dashboard and let's check my company and not the demo company that I just showed you. So then I can show you the CRM feature where we're gonna see every templates, etc. Okay. So here you can see the deals. So there is the pipeline where you can organize your appointments, the clients that are qualified to buy, presentation schedule. So here you're gonna organize your pipeline so then you can close more deals per month and then earn more money through your company. And it's really easy to use the pipeline. So with your sales team, you're gonna add the contact here, pretty simple, and then you're gonna keep tracking them until the end of the pipeline when you close the deal or you won or you lost. So even like the aspect of the contract, adding the same information, really easy. And here is your CRM where you're gonna add the contact. I'm gonna add one contact here to show you how the campaigns work. So I'm gonna add my email here. So pretty easy to add a new contact. The user interface is amazing. Okay, so we have a new contact here. I'm gonna click here to create a campaign, campaign name, tests, subject tests. Next, really simple, create a segment, tests. And here you're gonna add the contacts, the people who you sent the campaign. So next, select template. So they have beautiful templates here that I'm gonna show you to work with your business. So everything beautiful and professional that you can easily change different kind of business templates for your e-commerce. Here are the e-learning tools. So really professional. I love it, those kind of templates. And here where you create the campaign. As you can see here, the segments that are already created, the emails, you can create new templates or starting with a template to create a new one. You have forms as well. So the tool also create forms, and then you can add more contact with the form. So pretty easy to create forms. You just drag and drop. Okay. Dragging and drop, and you create the form. Okay. I want to show you now the website builder. As you can see, the tool is huge. So it's a lot of features to present. So I'm trying to do a little bit fast. I'm gonna go back to the app, and here they will have an e-commerce store inside the tool, and you get a custom domain. So with each Deskera deal, with each organization, you can have your own website, and it will have e-commerce. So you get one e-commerce website. This is really good. It's a lot of value with only one code. So here are their templates, something related with health. That's one with investment. So you can create a website adding a custom domain with that deal. And they will have an e-commerce store with Deskera with the deal. So we are going to get an e-commerce with Deskera. So as you can see, they have a lot of feature, a lot of things to explore. You get all the accounting aspects of the tool with only one code. So I think there is a lot of value. Remember, you get a website and an e-commerce with only one code. It's not a deal to miss. More than 400 reviews on AppSumo and already living. You have 6 days to buy it. Don't miss that deal. It's established tool. And if you liked my review, please click on the button below and help me to keep going. Bye bye.